This is fallen territory. We aren't safe here.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a review of this small set. This is a Destiny line set, Sparrow S-10V. It comes with 123 pieces, 2 minifigures, 1 ghost or 2 little builds, and that's about it. When it comes to the design of the box, it's an incredible design. I think Destiny line has some of the greatest designs Mega has produced on the box art, but let's see what's inside and see if this set really is as good on the inside as it is on the outside. And so now that we have everything out in front of us, I can say that this is a pretty good set in my opinion. Although it has a lot of things that I do not like, especially with the quality control on in this particular set. I was surprised that it was not actually 2017 set, but a 2015 set. Let's first take a look at the Guardian, who just ripped out the handles of the Sparrow. And as you can see, the Guardian is pretty much a basic generic green Guardian. He doesn't have too much armor, it's a Hunter Guardian. I really like the paint job on the head. It's crispy, it's clean, although it has one little spot that you barely see that has a slightly missed paint job, like over there. Basically it doesn't have any other paint job on him except for the kneecap. The cloak he has is a pretty good piece, I would say. Well, I don't know if that counts as a piece, but it's pretty nice to get one because of the detailing on it. I know that making those war themed pieces in cotton is not as easy as making a print of that. As for the weapon, he has this Cabal themed assault rifle, and I can say that I was at first skeptical that he would be even able of holding it, but the Guardian actually surprised me a lot when he not just was able to hold it, but was able to hold it much better than the Spartans and Marines from the Halo lineup. That's how you have to do them. Seriously, you need to make more of these hands because they are just great. They're not just great, they're amazing. We need more of those. And the one old thing I also have to say why this figure is just amazing is this little knife. It's not just a great mold, it has a paint job, and the only issue I have with it is that this little piece usually falls off or breaks, but this one seems to be printed fairly well, so it should stay tight and fit. What I don't not like about this knife is that the blade seems a little too small. Now when it comes to the fallen captain here, this is a House of Wolves captain, and he looks pretty cool. I do like the crown and that it has those gray dots on top that just are spot on. They're really good. But why do we get as a first enemy figure a captain? Why a captain? Seriously, why can't we get like 2 drags or I don't know, a vandal or somebody else? Because captains are not something you would see too often. I mean, you do see them often, but not as often as dregs or vandals or somebody like that. I can say that those sabers look pretty cool. They look pretty good. As far as I've seen in the game of Destiny 2, they look pretty similar. What I do not like about it is the fact that this little piece is broken, and it's not even my fault. I tried to glue it to make it stay, but it's still broken. And why is it not my fault? Because the figure was pre-assembled. Okay, I did not have to do any assembly besides giving him those sabers, so that's really unfortunate. One more thing that I do not like about him is that this hand is a little wobbly in the elbow. Yeah, actually with this one as well, so he has even two hands with the same issue. So I will have to make a video of how to fix this. As for the Shank, Mega did a really good job of representing it in the brick form. Although this part could be elaborated on with a few extra pieces, I think they did a pretty good job. And also this piece over here is a custom piece created specifically for the Shank, which is actually a transparent piece that has a sort of gray printing on it, which is really cool. That's some quality job over there. But still, this set needs more quality control on it. Now to this little Sparrow. I'm not a big fan that we get Sparrows in the Destiny line. I mean, we had like 5 of them at least, and it would be fine, but we did not get any, like literally any of battle packs with the enemies. And my only problem is that I do not like Sparrows that much. They are not too interesting to me, and I don't think that this is the thing that Mega should go for. I can say that this is a custom piece with a little printing over here, and this piece has a printing. Now there's one more piece with a printing that we have here, and this is not the printing that you would want to have on your Sparrow. And there it is, the painfully obvious Made in China logo. Thank you, Mega. Otherwise the Sparrow is a fairly good build. It's enjoyable to put together, and it has some of those rods in the back and a transparent rod to suspend it in the air. Overall, I think it's a pretty good design and a great representation of what the in-game thing looks like. Now when it comes to the set itself, I can say that it is a pretty good set, although the quality control, as it was with the 2015, was pretty bad. The job that Mega is doing is really paying off in this set. You can see that they are trying to do their best to keep the customers satisfied. That's, in my opinion, a great practice. That's all I have to say about this set. I pretty much like it. It's a good set, but it has its own issues. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Have a nice day. Bye.